Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a nursing home website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, easy to use. They also provide you with numerous templates that allow even a complete beginner. So that means that if this is your first time creating a website, you'll still be able to create a stunning and professional website in no time. So what I want you to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you're going to click on Get Started and you're going to create an account. After you have created your account, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and select Create New Site. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on Build with the Wix editor. After doing that, I want you to tap on Set up without chat. Then on the search bar, you're going to type in nursing home. So let's do that real quick. So you'll type in nursing home right there and you're going to select nursing home. Then you're going to tap on continue and you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can add in your business name. So let's say for example's sake, I'll just call this nursing home. So I'll type in nursing home right here. Then tap on continue. After doing that, you can choose your site goals. So we'll be offering services. So we're going to tap on offering service. And we'll also be, for example, share knowledge. We can tap on share knowledge and we'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can see the different apps that you can add. So for example, we will leave the booking app. We'll also scroll down and we're going to be selecting the blog app right here. And by scrolling down, if you would like to add a pricing plan, you could select pricing plan right there. And I also recommend that you select the Instagram feed app. So by selecting the Instagram feed, you'll be able to display your pictures and videos from Instagram. So you can select that right there. If you'd like to provide live chat, you can select chat. Then you'll scroll down and you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you're going to tap on continue once more. Then you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select catalog. After selecting catalog, from here, you're going to select booking services and you can see an example of how it looks. Once here, you're going to tap on start from scratch. And for example, your first service could be consultation. So you could type in consultation right here. After you have done that, you can tap on the plus for image and you could upload an image, or you can select media from Wix. And from there, you could type in, for example, say nursing home, and you could use one of their copyright free image. So let me do that real quick. And let's say, for example, I were to use this one. Then I'll tap on add to page. After you have done that, you can scroll down. You could add a description and you could also add the duration. And since this is a consultation, I'll be using the free plan. So I'll select right where you see fixed price and we're going to be selecting free. If it is a case that you would like to charge clients, you could select fixed price or varied price. And you can also choose whether you'd like to offer this service via video conferencing, or you could put in your business location right there. You can also assign the different services to staff members. So you could tap right here and you could add a staff member and then you could assign the consultation to a staff member. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to be adding more services. So we can tap on add a new service. And then from there, you could add more services. So for example's sake, you could add the service where persons will be able to book it for their loved ones. So you could add that service and you can add a fee for it. And another thing that I want you to do after you have added the services, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more. And I would recommend that you select blog. After selecting blog, you're going to tap on create new posts. After selecting create new posts, from here I would recommend that you create blog articles about nursing home or so on, as by creating these articles you'll be able to rank organically in different search engines, for example Google. So you'll be able to get some organic traffic to your website And you can also write information about other patients' experience with your nursing home. So this will help persons to feel more comfortable leaving their loved ones at your nursing home. And you can also use the Wix AI to create these content. For example, you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on AI tools, then from there you could select blog posts. After you have selected blog post, you could type out the topic. So for example sake, let's say we were to create a topic about why it is good to leave your parents or so on at a nursing home. You could type that in right here, and then you could tap on next, and from there the Wix AI will be able to compose an article that you can present or post on your website. So that is definitely a good way to do it. And also after doing that, you will need to set up how you'll be getting paid. You are going to tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on connect payment method. Depending on the country you are located in, you will see different payment options. Because I'm located in Jamaica, I'll only be able to offer TiloPay, PayPal, and I can also tap on see more payment options right here, and you can see some other payment options that I can offer. But if I were to change my location, you will see that I'm presented with a different set of options. Keep in mind, any other payment method other than PayPal, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. But I would definitely recommend that you go onto the paid plan, as with it you'll be able to unlock all of the features of the Wix platform, and it will definitely enhance the experience that persons will have whenever they visit your website. And it will help your website to look more professional, which is what you want since you are creating a business website. And it is definitely more affordable than other platforms. So you're going to create it right here. And I would also recommend that you create some type of log. So I don't know if you would like to download an app that you could use as your notes or so on, or if you'd like to use a different platform that you would log the clients or better yet the patients when they are booked to your nursing home. And to set up how your nursing home website will appear, you're going to tap on home. You're going to tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap where you see customize a template. You're going to tap on pick a template right there. Then from here in the search bar, you can type in nursing home or you can type in care home. Then from there you will see different options. So let's say for example we were to use this one, and we'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're just going to give it a few seconds while the website is being rendered in the background. Once it is up and running, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, so you'll be able to get a better view of your website. So at the moment, let me go onto the home page. So this is how our home page looks at the moment. You can see already that it looks very professional, and to edit it is quite straightforward and easy. You're going to tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. From there you could change the name. You could also change the vector image. You can also add your nursing home phone number, and then you could scroll down. You could change the background image. You can change the text if you want, and you can tap on this section and you could edit the text also right there. So you can edit the text boxes. So for example, we could tap right here and you could edit the text. You can see edit text. You can change all of this text. So basically it is just drag and drop. You will be using the layout that they provide. All you'll need to do is put in your own personal information right there. Once you have done that, you will realize that your website is finished, and this is quite quick and easy. This is the easiest way to create a website for a business. And if you would like to add an element that you don't see, let's say a text box, video, music, anything at all, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can see all of the different elements that you can add, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you like to view all the pages, you can tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages right there. So you can select whichever one of these pages you would like to edit next. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on publish and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.